I'm going to show you how I added rain effects to this scene in Blender using compositing. You could do this the proper way, of course, by creating a emitting particle system, but it really wasn't required here. It didn't need that level of detail or effort, so I just took this very simple option. Here's the overlay video that I used, and I'm going to composite that into our scene. So we just have our scene here. It's just our character with a number of streetlights. If I go into rendered mode, you can see that I've used volume, so you can kind of see the light emitting from the streetlights. Okay, so I'm just going to render an image so we've got something to work with in the compositor. Okay, so here's the rendered result, and we want to add some rain to it now. Okay, so here in the compositing tab, you can see the image behind. I've opened it up in an image editor here as well. So right now we're just looking at kind of the image as is, and I've opened up in this movie clip here is our rain overlay. And what we could do is we could just screen this rain overlay. Okay, and we get this kind of image like this. Now we could obviously turn that down. And there you have it, that would look okay. Okay, but what I did notice that in real life, when you look up at a street light and it's raining, you can really only see the rain around that street light. So not just kind of everywhere equally. So what I actually did was, if we go back in here, we look at the different render passes. I used the volume direct render pass. And what that looks like, if we go back into compositing, is gives us this kind of pass here where you can sort of see, it just gives you the intensity of the light, and the rest of it is kind of black essentially. So if we use that on the input of the screen node right here, and we use the color ramp to control it, essentially what we have is, we crush the whites down, you can start to see that we get more rain in the areas where the light is. Okay, and then I've actually set, rather than this being completely black, which would be no rain anywhere else, you can make it, obviously the grayer it is, you can see there's more rain everywhere else, but we just want a little bit of rain where there's no light. And therefore we get more rain where there's light, or we can see more rain where there's light, and less rain where it's just darkness. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. You can see there, that's the effect. And here is the final shot. So this shot is taken from my animated film time. Please check it out if you haven't already. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. Bye.